So today we are going to build a Lego puzzle box. We found this YouTube channel about a week ago and have started building a couple of them and have really enjoyed it. It's something fun we can do as a family, and you guys can too. So we're going to take you along on how it's done and just get you a little involved with our Lego box. So here we go. So on these puzzle boxes, we'll normally pause the video and then find the pieces. And then once we find all the pieces and lay them out exactly how they have it, we go ahead and start the video back up so we know how they go together. So here's an example of the pieces that we need for the first level of this box. We'll get all those laid out and then we'll start building. So now we got all the pieces laid out. We're ready to start building the box. It's exactly like what it shows.
Sometimes when we're building puzzles, we don't always have the right pieces. So we try to use like a substitution.
1, 2, 3, 4. Give me go.
These are the window bricks.
How far are you?
Not even halfway.
The pieces.
And then we also have this.
We also have this thing.
All right, so I know it doesn't look like much yet, but it's gonna be pretty fun here after a bit. So if you have all the pieces that are the same color, it'd look awesome, but we normally don't. So we just put random colors that are the exact same pieces, whether they're a tile piece or a brick.
So today we were building this. It took about 2.5 hours. And we've already tested it, solved it, and now we're gonna let our mom try to do it.
Do you think she'll get it?
No. It'll probably take her all night.
What do you think?
Well, I think she will.
You think she will?
No. It will take some time, but yeah.
Okay, so this is the Benjamin Franklin modified from Cheat3. I will link their channel below. The kids and Jared spent about 3 hours building it the other day. I haven't gotten a chance to even really fiddle with it yet. I wanted to wait until we had plenty of time, because who knows how long it's going to take me to solve this sucker. Anything I should know before we begin, guys?
So, some things are, you don't have to force, like super hard force. Some are not the easiest moves on it, but we will stop you from breaking it.
What level is this?
It's considered a level 9 by cheat3.
Okay.
And we did do a little bit of different things to it that we can talk about. So on that side, we brought out the little vault lever outside of the box because it just seemed a little hard to open on your final move. So, yeah, I don't want to give any more away.
Aha! Got it. Nope. This one, I betcha. Okay. 2 tools or just one?
Just one. That one is not needed.
So I can put that away.
So the girls were unable to solve this.
I couldn't get the tool out. I was over here. I knew that wasn't the tool because I was pushing it.
I know.
Okay, so that just went in. I don't know why.
I know the next move.
What did I break? This came out. I pushed the bottom piece up and this came out.
Did you break it again?
Are you for real? So I'm gonna try this because I haven't since there. Nothing's going. But if I scooch it over a hair, it should go in that one deal.
It's just a certain way.
No, you're pushing out there at the end, so it's twisting the Legos.
Oops.
Let me see the puzzle.
It disengages. Oh, yay! It did. So I solved it. But apparently I didn't solve it correctly. And I still don't understand exactly why. What did I do?
I think she was pushing so hard, and there's like maybe a little weak spot that it's like allowing it to push up enough that you can actually pull the vault back out. So we could work on it a little bit to make it a little bit better so that she couldn't do that. But we didn't take the time to do that. So it might be a little modification, or we might have messed up a little bit that caused it to allow it to go high enough to pull the vault out.
So I'd say, other than the fact that I won $50, it's not my favorite puzzle box they built for me. I think my favorite's still the vending machine. Is that one a cheat3?
Yep.
So I would recommend the vending machine. This one's super cool. It just seems like there's a lot of little pieces that break. So we have inherited a ton of Legos. Some from your childhood, some from some friends, and so we have so many pieces that most of the stuff on cheat3 we've been able to build so far. We've had all the pieces, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have to substitute.
They are a blast to build. You need to go out and build your one for your family, and then even try to come up with your own puzzles. Use your creative side to make your own for your family. That's what we've been doing, actually making our own with some of the slide moves that they teach you.
Mm-hmm. So comment below what you think I should spend my $50 on.
Even though it's called the Benjamin Franklin locker, it is considered a Grant locker.
This is now the Grant.
Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you next Sunday morning.
Bye.
Clearly, I don't know.
That's a 4x8. We need a 4x8.
Are those glasses helping you out?
Yeah.
Yeah, they make you find it, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
How about your glasses? Are they helping you out?
Yeah, I've already cleaned them.
You're very clean. You got them all clean. Boy, I can't even see the lens in them.
I know.
Legos are just awesome. You can never have too many Legos. So the kids love playing with Legos. We spend quite a few hours playing with them every so often.
More like every day.
Well, I'm curious if you
much?
actually did it right.
$20? $50.
That's probably because you pushed too hard again.
Who cares? I got the 50.
I think you sprung the whole Legos.
Let me see.
Okay.
Spring Legos.
Okay, so someone might be also a little rough on them.
I am not.
Because watch, I can do it without any issues.
Quarantine fun.
And Alexis is saying that she didn't have a blast. You didn't have a blast?
She's the cameraman.
She likes to be behind the camera.